Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Anker 4-port Ultra Slim USB 3.0 data hub. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is an Anker 4-port Ultra Slim USB 3.0 data hub, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. There is some product information for this 4-port USB 3.0 data hub. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting open the clear sticky seal that's keeping the box securely closed. And let's pop open the box flap and slide the contents out from the box packaging, just making sure that everything is removed from the box. So we can set the box to the side, so we're just going to set it on the right hand side of the table and laying the contents out across the tabletop so you have a full and clear look of the items from this Anker 4-port Ultra Slim USB 3.0 data hub's box packaging. So right there across the tabletop are the contents from the box packaging. Let's start off by taking a look at this card. So there is a little booklet with a happy, not happy text on the front and reverse, and giving you a look at the details that's in it. So there appears to be some customer satisfaction contact information, and we can set that to the side, so setting it on the left hand side or right hand side of the table. And moving on to the next item, there is a welcome guide. So taking a look at the details of the welcome guide, and right there some QR code and link for Anker support. And let's flip it open and see the details that's in it. So it does fold out across several panels, so giving you a look right there at the information that's contained or printed on the panels of this welcome guide. And flipping over to the reverse side, and of course further information and customer service contact information as well. So we're just folding that down and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop this time round. And of course moving on to the main item itself, the Anker 4-port Ultra Slim USB 3.0 data hub. And let's slide off the recyclable sleeve or packaging, and of course recycle that, and giving you a look at this 4-port USB 3.0 data hub or hub. And to give you some sense of the size of the hub, just resting in my palm. And it is very light in weight. Of course gripping it as well to give you some sense of its overall details. And now let's take a close-up look at, of course, the connector first. So there is a USB connector or plug, and giving you a close-up look at the details of it. So right there, it does have a matte finish and very angular in shape. So a rectangular USB 3.0 plug. Okay, and to give you a look at the cable as well. So the cable for this USB hub, and of course moving up the cable, we see the hub itself, and the hub does have a recess for some movement of the USB cable, of course, functionality and durability. And to give you a look right there, and you can see that it does have an overall matte finish and made out of plastic, so very light in weight, and of course feels like it is ABS plastic, tough, light, and of course very common for products such as this. So we can see the 4 USB 3.0 ports, and there appears to be an LED indicator as well with a vertical design. And taking a look at the underside, I'm giving you a close-up look at the details of the hub and its overall design. So right there, strictly a 4-port USB 3.0 hub, as you can see right there. And the overall details, so giving you a further out look, and of course some sense of the flexibility of the USB cable. Okay, so right there, the Anker 4-port ultra slim USB 3.0 data hub. So trying to give you a more complete look in the frame. And of course getting the camcorder to focus is sometimes a little bit tricky. But nonetheless, there we go. A close-up look at the 4 ports and the LED status indicator. Alright, now let's go ahead and test it. And over here I have an Acer Swift 3 ultra thin laptop, which I've unboxed on the channel before. Let's plug in some devices to the USB hub. But let's first plug in the USB hub into a USB port, and you can see straight away the LED indicator lighting up in blue. And I'm just going to shift the laptop slightly off frame so that we can have the USB hub more or less in the middle of the frame. And let's plug in some devices. So over here I have the Dell Multimedia keyboard KB216, which I've unboxed on the channel before. Let's plug it in to a spare port 104. And just like that, the laptop has recognized and detected the keyboard, and of course it is working just fine and responding quite nicely. Okay, and let's plug in some more devices. And over here I have a Cooler Master MM720 gaming mouse, which I've unboxed on the channel before through a Amazon warehouse used item unboxing. Let's plug it in to a spare port on here. Let's plug it in to one of them right there, and you can see the mouse lighting up and responding quite nicely as well. Just clicking that notification box away, And let's plug in one more device. And over here I have a Western Digital or WD Elements portable recertified hard drive, which I've unboxed on the channel before. And let's plug in the micro USB-B cable or data cable into the back of it. And then of course plugging the USB cable into a free USB port on the Anker 4-port ultra slim USB 3.0 data hub. And I can feel the hard drive powering to life, and just trying to make some room. And let's see if we can play a video clip, and just to show you the hub right there. And let's slide the setup across, just trying to get you a better view of the USB hub. And let's see if we can play a video. So just going to go into one of the folders and play one of the videos that's saved on the portable hard drive. And right there, the video is playing just fine. And everything is still responding quite nicely. I'm just going to forward the video and see if it responds instantly, and no issues right there. Alright, so there we go. 3 of 4 USB ports utilized right here in this test. So that's the Anker 4-port ultra slim USB 3.0 data hub. Thanks for watching and happy connecting!